So we are officially in a tornado warning.
Good stuff. I think we're gonna blow away.
So we don't know if it's coming right for us or not, or if we're gonna die.
The tent is like on me. Get off me, tent. I'm not gonna sleep at all. This is ridiculous. This is looking really good. We got birds all over us.
Hey guys, this video, this hunt is one of my favorite hunts of all time. It touches dearly to my heart like I cannot even begin to tell you guys. This was season 3 of Freelance duck hunting. Season 1 and 2 were 2 of my very worst years as a duck hunter since we started 30 years ago. And I was putting out these videos of just skunk after skunk after skunk after skunk. And it was really the pressure that I started to feel to have success was immense. And this hunt kind of broke the streak of bad hunts. And so the joy in my soul that I felt when we hit the end of this hunt and we had killed our limit, only missing 1 shot combined, was I cannot tell you how much it meant to me, how exciting it was, the thrill of public land duck hunting and having your ups and downs. This is one of my very favorite hunts ever. I hope that you enjoy this hunt. This is another Memory Lane Monday. So we are officially in a tornado warning.
Good stuff.
Yep, so me as and Aiden are in this tornado-proof tent.
Yep.
And yeah, our phones keep going off and we are officially in a tornado warning. So we don't know if it's coming right for us or not, or if we're gonna die. You think we're gonna die?
Well, I'm not gonna die till I shoot a duck.
Yeah. I've never been in a tornado warning duck hunting before. So, with any luck, some of these duck hunters here that are going to be
blown away
won't be in our spot tomorrow. I'm not wishing it on them. I'm just saying it's a possibility. I'm not actively hoping for it. I'm just saying it could happen.
It could.
There could be a few less people competing for our spot tomorrow. And that's not necessarily, that's just a, like, you know, you're looking for silver linings of a bad event. That would be the silver lining. Anyway, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke. I don't want anyone to get hurt. Aiden does.
No. I think we're gonna blow away.
The tent is coming in on us.
These fiberglass poles are gonna break.
Oh man, if this tent comes tumbling down.
Oh, this is insane. We cannot sleep.
The tent is literally like laying down.
The tent is like on me. If our tent breaks, what are we gonna do?
Honestly, probably lay here.
Yeah.
Do nothing.
That's exactly what we're gonna do if it breaks. We're just gonna lay here and wait until we can get up and go.
Yeah.
This is insane. If it breaks, we will just lay here.
I'm not getting that.
No, me neither. We're invested. Come on. Get off me, tent. I'm not gonna sleep at all. This is ridiculous.
Closer up.
I don't know why in the world we would have the desire to kill these cute little ducks so bad we'd endure this. But we do.
Yep. For sure.
Well, hopefully it'll stop soon. I'm gonna go back to resting.
So the tornado's only going for another 5 more minutes. So if we don't die in the next 5 minutes, we're okay.
All right, well, I think we made it. I think we're safe.
Dang it.
Yeah.
Oh, the duck hunters must have made it too.
I don't know. So quick update here. We got exactly the spot we wanted. There was probably anywhere between 600 to 1,000 birds right in this little channel yesterday in the morning and the evening. I double scouted. There was only one other truck that beat us at the parking lot and they actually slept in their truck. So we got the exact spot we wanted. It was loaded with birds yesterday. So if we don't shoot birds today, I don't know. How much time do we have till shooting? Like
probably 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. And we did not have coffee. That night in the tornado was quite something.
Yeah, never had a tent like slapping me the whole night while I was trying to sleep.
I'm gonna make this strong.
Yeah.
This has been quite the adventure though. That's for sure.
Yeah, we almost died. This is turning out.
Everyone was calling us, telling us to go. My uncle lives not too far from here. And actually not far at all. And so everyone, my relatives were calling me and pleading me to go up to his. I'm like, I'm not gonna leave all our crap.
Yeah.
That would have been a disaster. That would have been so much worse if we had done that. Honey bun?
I'll share one.
I've got two.
Thanks.
There's no sharing here, buddy.
Sounds good.
Mine's smushed.
Coffee time.
Aiden's gonna see if he can catch this rail with his bare hands. He's nervous. He's nervous. He's a cute little guy, man. What a little cutie. I'm blinding him. He thinks Jesus is coming.
Nice.
Got him. Let's see him. Oh man.
He's not
Don't
even
let him go yet. Don't let him go yet. I want to play with
Yeah.
him. I want to play with him. That's what I said. Hi,
Just let me touch. Got big
Man, what
feet.
a,
He's got.
what a doll. Izzy, you can't. That's that may be better than Dan's hummingbird catch. What do you think?
I mean, it's pretty sweet, isn't it?
If you want to see Dan catch a hummingbird, right there. The release.
Goodbye.
Such strong flyers.
How did they go anywhere?
I don't know. That was
It's
awesome.
like the easiest.
That was
shot
sweet.
ever. That was cool. Nice spot.
Well, old Aiden, he needs some protein. He's going for a little soup before the hunt. Okay.
Tastes like success.
We're about 40 minutes before shooting time. And we've got one group 150 yards upwind of us. And we're here before they were. And we've got another group right now just walking in. So this is not near as crowded as I anticipated it to be. Well, we're just going to pray real quick. God, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to do what we love to do. I just ask that we honor you with our spirit and our demeanor in any interactions we have with the people today and how we conduct ourselves. And if it is your will, let us have a good hunt, Lord. Amen. Man, they're everywhere. This is looking really good. We got birds all over us. All over us. At 7-8 yards. Those are the shots we want. What time is it? It's almost man. Stay easy. Yeah. Stay easy. Let's take something that we can see silhouetted. At the same time. We'll get a group and we'll just pop something where it's silhouetted right above the backdrop. Oh my goodness. It's 7:02. Okay.
Oh, this is so insane. There's just ducks everywhere. There's a teal sitting right here.
Oh my goodness.
In our decoys. There's a little teal right there.
This is unbelievable.
Right here. There's just ducks everywhere.
Yeah.
Your shell hit the camera when it
did?
ejected. Yep.
All right.
Think. Good job, Izzy.
Get the retriever.
Good job.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Let me jump in here just for one moment. If you have not checked out my podcast yet, the North American Waterfowler Podcast, I've got 21 episodes out. A new one just released today. So when you're done with this video, go and check out the North American Waterfowler Podcast.
Okay, let me film. Got 4 each. You want me to do one more? What do you want to do?
You can do one more.
Okay, now put me at 5.
Yeah.
Right. There she goes. Man, she's rock steady today.
Yeah. Iz is doing great.
She's killing it. Gotta get as much of this shit. This is one of the best teal hunts I've ever had.
Good job, Iz.
Not a lot of good ones, but man, this is... I mean, we're killing these birds at 10 yards.
Yeah.
Here comes one of them.
Oh, gun jam. Oh, it's still here.
Oh, thank you for waiting. Here comes this one. Now, we're really at the point where we can be selective. Having teal this close in my face.
Really?
We're killing these things at 10 yards consistently.
Yes.
He dodged right where I was on the tree. He went.
There's one on the left.
Left. Ah, dang it. Come on, right here. Okay. Izzy, you got me. Get it?
Yep, that's a limit. Attaboy.
Limit.
Attaboy.
All right, buddy.
All right, I'm up for this limit.
See that? No, don't take that in front, Izzy. Izzy! That's the limit.
Atta baby.
It's like
That's
25 minutes.
done.
Yeah, right. Man, we shot lights out.
We both shot